Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe. Welcome back to another episode of Zfighterperformance Garage. As I stated previously in our last episode, part 1 of our Nissan 200ZR paint build, I am going to be pulling the front bumper off, taping and draping the entire car, and then scuffing up and going over the entire car, making sure it's ready for primer. And hopefully we're going to get the primer down, as well as the sterling silver pearl that we're going to be putting down, some micro flake, and some gloss. So hopefully we'll see how much we get done in today's video. To it because you're recording.
There we go. I'm gonna take it out.
Cool. All right, let's take the front bumper off so we can start taping and draping.
Ready? Here we go.
There's the bumper. Wrapped up sanding the front bumper on our Nissan 200ZR. The paint was pretty bad to begin with, and so we went ahead and got it all sanded down. It's all smooth, and then kind of roughed it up so that the primer will take. And now I'm going to spray the whole front bumper with primer. We have finally wrapped up the bodywork, priming, getting the car all prepped, ready for paint. We went ahead and started putting up our makeshift paint booth in the shop. We have finished our shop makeshift booth and pretty much ready to spray the car. So here we go. So we're finally ready to throw down our primer. It's going to be a black primer, and we'll see how far we get, but let's get to it. 50% coverage. We didn't do, full coverage on the first one. Primer's kind of down. We'll throw in some thicker coats of primer here shortly, once this one is dry. So it's about 4 o'clock in the morning. We've laid our last coat of primer. Looks glossy, but that'll dry. So tomorrow we will hopefully get on the pearl and microflake, and then all we have left is to clear the car. But that is going to end today's video. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel.